The 2013 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data, hands-free phone, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning front, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, cold weather package, MP3 player, passenger airbag on/off switch, MP3 playback stereo. Your new ride is just a phone call away.